Hello everyone. In this video we'll add a score to our game. So as of now we don't have anything to any record of the score. So what we'll do is we'll show the score right here and we'll calculate the score as well. First thing we need is a state variable which keeps track of the score. So let's just have a variable called score and set it to 0. And now what I do is I go to my UI and here what I'll do is I'll say view style equals styles dot score container, and within this view I'll put the first text, which is style equals styles dot score label, and this will just say score. And the second thing that I'll want is a text which is the actual score itself, so styles.score, and here I need to say this .state.score. So this should work now. Let's go back to our game and take a look. So we do have the score here. The styling isn't too great. So what I would want to do here is I want to give my score container, I want to say that the flex direction should be row, and I think this should at this point be fine. So this looks alright, and the next thing I want to do is I want to say score label. The font size should be, let's say 20. Let's try 20, and this looks alright to me. And I also need a margin right of, let's say 5, and for my score I want a font size of 20 and a font weight of bold. I think this should look good. So alright, I have the score UI right here, and whenever I change my score variable, the UI is going to change because it's a state variable. So let's actually write the functionality to increment the score, and you could set up your own scoring system because this is a game that you're making, but I'm just going to go with how I know 2048 does the scoring. So what it does is when you merge a 2 and 2, it makes a 4 tile and it gives you a score of 4. When you merge a 4 and 4, it gives you a score of 8. So basically whatever the value of the merged tile that's created, that's the increment to your score. So in our merge code, all we have to do is before we break out, I just say that this dot set state, and I want to set the score to this dot state dot score, that's the current score, plus board matrix I and k minus 1. So this is my merge tile, which is created as a sum of both of these. So that's the increment that I want. Let's actually go ahead and try this out. So when I hit left, as you can see, the 2 and 2 merged to give me a 4 and I got a score of 4. If I hit left again, I expect my score to become 12. So let's go ahead and see that. So as you can see, my score did become 12. So this is working fine. All I have to do is I just take this thing right here and put it into all of my moves. So whether it be a right move, whether it be an up move, whether it be a down move, I want it for all of them. And now when I do a left, it gives me a score of 4. I do left again, it gives me a score of 12. And when I move up now, I'm expecting a score of 4, an increment of 4, so 16. So when I do up, somehow the score wasn't incremented, and the reason that's happening is because when I copy pasted the code, I should also be changing these right here. So I need a k plus 1 here. I need in my down, I should have a k minus 1 comma I. So I need a k minus 1 comma I. In my up, sorry, In my down, I would want a k plus 1 comma I. So a k plus 1 comma I. And let's see now, when I hit left, I'm getting a 4, that's a 12. When I hit an up now, I'm expecting a 16. So I hit up, it gave me 16. When I hit right, I expect no increment, so no increment here. When I hit up now, I should get another 8, so that should be 24. And another up should be 28. So this is working pretty well. We've actually set up a system to calculate our score. So this looks pretty good, and that's all I wanted to do for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to drop the video a like and share the video with your friends. I'll see you next time.